Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So we have FOMC interest rate coming out today for the dollar, which the yen pairs will get affected by that because they're a risk on, risk off currency for sure. So I will be starting that live stream 30 minutes before the news release, so definitely stop in to see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. But as far as the euro yen is concerned, I mean, obviously we're going down because the weekly and the monthly is in an uptrend. Though, if we get a break of structure, which my most recent structure is here, if price goes up and takes that high and holds, then I will definitely be looking for longs on every single pullback I see from that point forward. If not, even if it goes up, even if it does go up and it doesn't break, it could make a lower high, lower high. So I would recommend shorts right now unless it goes and breaks this structure. And if it does break that structure because the weekly is up, I will definitely go back to looking for longs. If not, looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.